welcome back to my channel. My name is MyLifeAsLoveline and you are all heartily welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making a very simple recipe of a homemade pineapple juice. It's very easy, guys. Follow the steps carefully and you will achieve a good homemade juice at the end. So the pineapple fruit is consumed by a lot of people around the world and it's widely known. It's a tropical fruit and it has a lot of vitamins, vitamin A, B and C, and it also has minerals. It has copper, it has magnesium, it has manganese, which is good for the bones, and it has potassium. It has a lot of fiber too incorporated in it. A lot of people love it for the pulp or the internal part, which is juicy, but the medicinal part of it cannot be cut out because the back part of it can be boiled and used for other purposes. So without much ado or say, we're going to start by peeling our pineapple. Please tell me in the comment section how you peel your pineapple, guys, but this is how I do mine. First of all, I chop off this part. And then the other part of it. Get you a very ripe pineapple for this recipe. It's very important. So you don't get to bring in a lot of external sweeteners at the end. Get your chopped pineapple into a blender with half a lemon. We're going to squeeze half a lemon into it. Make sure the seeds are well taken care of because they are not part of the recipe. Okay, let's squeeze. So for a single pineapple, I would prefer you put like 2 to 3 cups of water. 1, 2, and 3. So the next thing is to blend. This consistency is okay because we are going to sieve. So after putting your lemon and blending, if you want to sweeten it up, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. 1, 2. After adding your honey, you run it again just for a second or 2 in order to get the honey incorporated in the whole mixture. That's all, guys. The next thing, guys, is to sieve. So to separate the pulp from the real juice, I'll prefer to use a sieve today. You can also use a cheesecloth. So we are going to pour in the content. When you notice that your sieve is no longer performing the way you intended it to, you carefully hit the sides of the sieve like this. But you notice that we have some foaming at the top, so you carefully pick up the foam. Wow, look at your homemade pineapple juice, guys. Can you keep the consistency? So nice. You can bypass this, guys. Try it at home. Enjoy, guys. This tastes so good. Don't tell me I didn't tell you. Bye bye.